This is the final part of task 1B part 3. We're going to add the drop down box here, and the drop down box is the category of static home. So if we go to the developer ribbon and we choose insert, here is the drop down box option. Remember, don't choose it from active controls, choose it from form controls. I'll now draw the shape of my drop down box, and we now need to set it so that it will know which data to look up, and also so that it will store the result of that data. So we're going to store our data here, and I'm going to name this cell static type. So if we now change the properties of our drop down box, I can say the cell it's going to link to will be static type. But I also need to say what the input range will be. Now if we look at our data table, you'll see that platinum, gold and silver I previously called static types. So rather than accepting what's been put in there, this will work absolutely fine, but it's much easier for us to read if we type static types. Click on OK, and now let's see what happens. When I choose platinum, we get number 1 here. When I choose gold, we get 2. And when I choose silver, we get 3. Now at this point, some of you might be thinking, well, I could have used data validation for this, and data validation would give me exactly the same results, but it would actually store the words platinum, gold and silver. Now that's fine, it will work for this part of the task, but when you get onto a later part of the task, you need to be able to use these numbers, and it will help you significantly if you've done it this way. So that's the end of 1B part 3. You've now just got to show evidence, and the evidence will be showing how you set up each part. So you'll be showing a screenshot and explaining what each of these different bits mean, and if you've used new named ranges, remember to show evidence of your new named ranges. Have a look at the answers for the similar but different tasks and look at how the evidence has been structured.